Hi everyone, this is Sneha Yadav, a student of SY BBA CCA program of SCMIRT at Suryadatta Group of Institutes, and I want to share my experience in SCMIRT up till now. To start with, all the faculty members here are really experienced, helpful and friendly. They never miss a chance to help us, be it in academics, co-curricular activities or even personal life decisions. We are always surrounded with their helping hands and smart minds. SCMIRT has always believed in following the latest edition of syllabus along with latest technologies. As I'm pursuing a course involving computers, we have well-equipped computer labs following the latest version of softwares. There's also amazing guest lectures, curricular, co-curricular, extracurricular, as well as cultural activities happening every now and then throughout the year. Every year we have our annual fest, Suryadatta, which is probably the best time of our college life. Also, even in this crucial situation of pandemic, we are having regular online classes along with tests, assignments and guest lectures. College life in SCMIRT is full of excitement and creativity. I have made some amazing friends and great memories in SCMIRT till now, and I am looking forward to make many more. Thank you.